Jesus loves little children, all the children of the world, red or yellow, black or white, all are precious by his side. Jesus loves little children of the world. Jesus loves little children, all the children of the world. Red and yellow, black and white, all are precious by his side. Jesus loved the little children of the world. I looked up the road and I wonder. So I looked up the road and I wondered, way back home to God. So I buckled up my shoes and I started. So I buckled up my shoes and I started way back home to God. And now I am a rejoicing, a rejoicing, a rejoicing, way back home to God. Now, this was not standard 3. This was when I had a shoes with buckle and maybe a reddish dress socks, right? So, where did I go to Sunday school?